So let A1, A2, A3 dash 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 A49 be in AP such that a summation of A4K plus 1 where K is equal to 0 to 12 is equal to 416 here, and A9 plus A43 is equal to 63. If A1 square plus A2 square dash 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 plus A17 square is equal to 140 m, then m is equal to what here? Here they give the terms are in APS. So take here the solution. A1, then A2, A3 and so on, A49 are in APS. They are in the AP. Then they given here summation of A4K plus 1 where K is equal to 0 to 12 is equal to 416 years. Now put a K value 0 years. Therefore this becomes a 0, remaining is A1 here. So write here A1 plus. Put K value 1. 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. So it is a A5 plus. Put K value 2 here. 4 to the 8 plus 1 is 9. So A9 plus and so on here plus K value 12 here. 12 4 48 plus 1 49. So A49 is equal to 416 here. Then A1 is AF plus A5 A plus 4 into D. Then plus A9 is there. You write here A plus 8 into D. Then plus and so on here plus A49 is there. So A plus 48 into D, that is equal to 416 years. Because you know this formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where N is A is the first term and D is the common difference here. We are using that result here. A1 is A, A5 is A plus 5 minus 1 become 4D, A9 is A plus 8D and so on here. Even these are in also AP, these are in AP. Therefore, you know, sum to n terms of AP, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into bracket A plus Ln. This is the formula. A is the first term and L is the last term here. Therefore, n is the number of terms. Total, these are 13 terms here because 0 to 12. K value 0 to 12 means total, these are 13 terms here. Total, these are 13 terms here. So, n equal to 13 here. 13 divided by 2 into bracket A plus last term is this here. A plus 48D is equal to 416 here. You are using this formula. Here n is equal to 13. Total these are 13 terms are there. Then 13 upon 12 into bracket A plus A becomes 2A plus 48D is equal to 416 here. Take the 2 common factor here. So 13 divided by 2 into 2 A plus 24D here is equal to 416 here. Then this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. Take 13 on this side here. So A plus 24D is equal to 416 divided by 13 here. 416 divided by 13. If you divide it here, then you will get 32. Therefore, A plus 24D, A plus 24D is equal to 32. Take this one as equation number 1. Yes. Okay, because 13 into 32. 3 2s are 6 here, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, so 6, 9 plus 2 becomes 11, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 416. 13 1s are 13, 32 dies. Therefore, that divided here, we get this equation here. And also they given this is a test and A9 plus A48 is equal to A43 is equal to 66. They are already given here. A9 using this formula A plus 8D plus A43 is there, again using the same formula A plus 42D is equal to 66 here. A plus A becomes 2A, 42 plus 8 becomes 50 here. 50D is equal to 66 here. Dividing both sides by 2 here, A plus 25D is equal to 33 here. Take this one as equation number 2. Take this one as equation number 2. Then solving equation 112. Okay, solving 112. Solving equations 112. Answer A plus 24D is equal to 32. Then A plus 25D is equal to 33. Then change the sign here. Cancel it here. 24D minus 25D gives a minus of D here. 32 minus 33 gives a minus of 1. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 1 here. Put D is equal to 1 in the equation 1 here. So, put D is equal to 1 in the equation 1 here. So, therefore, A plus 24 into 1 is for 24 is equal to 32 here. Take a 24 right hand side here. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 8. Value of A is 8. Use this result here. They are already given here. This one. Okay. So therefore, A1 square plus A2 square and so on here plus A17 square here. A17 square is equal to 140 m here. A1 square means A square here plus A2 square means A plus D, it's a square here and so on. And A17 is A plus 16D, it's a square, is equal to 140 m. A value is 8 here, so write it 8 square. 8 square plus A plus D means 8 plus 1, 9 here, so it is 9 square. The next term is 10 square and so on here plus. Again A value 8 here and D value 1. 8 plus 16 here. 8 plus 16 gives 24, it's a square is equal to 140 m. Okay, 24 square. Then the sum of these terms is nothing but so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on here plus 24 square minus of so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus 7 square here is equal to 140 m. 140 m. Okay, yeah, this term minus these terms here gives 8 square plus 9 square plus 10 square and so on 24 square here. So use the formula, 1 square plus 2 square and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. This is the formula. Therefore, put n equal to 24 here. 24 into 24 plus 1 into 2 into 24 plus 1 divided by 6 here minus. Now put n equal to 7 here. So 7 into 7 plus 1 into 2 into 7 plus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 140 m. 140 m. You are using this formula. Then 6 is the LCM here. 6 is the LCM. Then 24 here. 24 plus 1 25 into 2 into 24 48 plus 1 49 here. Then minus here. Then 7 into 7 plus 1 becomes 8 into, so 7 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15 divided by 6 that is equal to 140 mm. 140 mm. Okay. We can take a 7 common factor here. So 7 is the common into. Then you can take a 8 common factor. 8 also common here. Then you can take a 5 common factor here. So write here 5 outside here. So you are taking 7 common, 7 7 are 49. So remaining is 7 here. Then 5 is a common here. 5 5 is a 25 into 5. Then 8 is a common here. 8 is a 24 here. So write here 3. Then minus half. So 7 is a common, 8 is a common, 5 common here, then remaining is only 3 here, divided by 6. That is equal to 140 here, 140. Then here you can take 3 also common here, 3 also common. Then you can divide here. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are. Here again you can take a 3 common factor here. Okay, so I am writing the steps here. So 7 into 4 into 5 into 3 common here. So 7 into 5 minus of 1 divided by 3 is equal to 140 mm. This 3 and this 3 get cancels here. Then so write here 7 here. 5 4s are 20 into 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 1 is 34 here. That is equal to 140 mm. 140 mm. You can write 7 into 4 into 5 as it is. 7 into 4 into 5. Write as it is. Okay. And this becomes 34 here. So 7 5s are, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 7, 140. So multiply these numbers here. 140 into 34 is equal to 140 m here. 140, 140 get cancels here. Therefore the value of m is equal to 34 here. So therefore C correct option here. C is the correct option.